In this video, actually I'm facing one issue in my current PC currently that I'm unable to run the React Native projects. Like React Native 7.5 is playable. 7.5 I can run the projects of 7.5, but whenever I'm trying to run the latest projects, okay, I'm getting an error. So in this video, we are going to firstly create the new React Native project, check what the error we are going and try to solve it. Okay, so if you are facing the same issue that as I am, so with the help of this video, you will be able to resolve that issue. Okay, as you can see, our the first project is ready. So let's navigate to the projects directory. Okay, so same, just go to the where we have created projects, go to this, come to this directory, type cmd code dot, this will open it in VS Code. Right now you can see on the left side we have our project. We are inside our project directory. Let's try to run this project. Let's see what error we get here. Our Android emulator successfully boot up. So here we have got the error. Okay, so let's see what the error is. Build cmake debug. So so if you got the error like this, let's solve it. So after researching, I found out the solution about this. Okay, so the main thing that was stopping or not letting our project run was the NDK version. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, in right now our new projects, it's new projects React Native version is like 0.83.1. It turns out that React Native in this React Native version, by default it comes with the NDK version of 27.1.12, this version, but when we try to run the application, it produces the errors of C++. Okay, C++ library, linked libraries of Android. Okay, so that's why our project was not running. So after running some, after checking out online, okay, so I found out that by using this NTK version, okay, our projects run smoothly. Let's see now. Okay, let me close my, this is the application. Right, okay, so our projects now run smoothly. Okay, okay, the main thing in this video was to just run the project. Okay, so stay tuned, new videos are coming soon. Okay, really good ones, you will like those.